The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 7:30 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots 7 nautical miles west of Pools Island, moving northeast at 35 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Pools Island, Gunpowder River, Wharton Point, Phoenix Shoals, Bush River, Spessity Island, Elk River, Turkey Point, Susquehanna Flats. Waterspouts can develop suddenly and can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous waves. Seek safe harbor immediately. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service.